Hello everyone, this printer is HP Deskjet 2910. I'm going to show you how to connect this printer to Wi-Fi Direct. This printer is currently in a wireless mode. The Wi-Fi light is flashing. For you to connect this printer, press the Wi-Fi button and resume button together for 3 seconds. 1, 2, 3. Then release it. Then press the information button. We'll print out printer information report. Then from the information report, it will show you with Wi-Fi Direct, you can connect your mobile device, computer, or tablet directly to the printer wireless without connecting to an existing Wi-Fi network. Wi-Fi Direct name E8/HP Deskjet 2900 series, and also it will show you the Wi-Fi Direct password. So I have the information here. So now to connect this with your mobile device, what you need to do is you need to go to your phone settings, go to connections, select connections, then select wireless network. So it will show you HP Direct 2900 series is available. Select on it. E8 HP Deskjet 2900 series. Enter password. So you put the password that you printed out. So I'm going to put the details. Double check the information you put to make sure they are correct. Then the next thing to do is select connect. Checking the quality of your internet. Checking the quality of your internet. Internet may not be available. Then you select connect. Only this time we show you connected without internet. Connected without internet. So if you want to print out a document, you go to my files, select the document you want to print out. This is the document you want to print out. 2 pages document. Gently tap on the screen, select the 3 dots, select print, then scroll to the side and select HP Deskjet, then select print. It's printing out document. We connected this via Wi-Fi Direct. If you look on the printer, it's not connected on wireless network. It's connected via Wi-Fi Direct, and we are printing out a document. So this is the first one. You need to wait for the second document to print out. Select resume to print the second page. So this is how to connect this printer to Wi-Fi Direct with your mobile device. If you want to connect it to your laptop, you need to go to Manage Internet Access, then select Manage Wi-Fi Connections. It will bring out the networks available. You select Direct, remove Connect automatically, then select Connect. Ask you to put the password. So I'm going to put the password. Then you look on the information we printed out, type the details. Double check the information you put to make sure they are correct. Then you select Next. We'll show you checking network. Direct, no internet secure. So this is how to connect this printer wireless direct. Direct E8 HP Deskjet 2900 series, no internet secure. If you want to print out a document from the computer, go to File Explorer, then go to wherever you save the document. Double click the document to open. This is the document we want to print out, 2 pages document. Select print. Go to the side, select add a printer, add a device, HP Deskjet 2900 series, select add. So it's connecting. Now it's installing. The printer is showing us ready. Then you go back to print document. Double click the document to print. So to print document, select print document. Go on the top and look for HP Deskjet. It's showing us ready. Select on the printer. Then you select how many copies. Portrait. You want to print on one side. Then select print. And this is connected. It will show you direct, no internet. Local area connection, no internet access, direct. So you will see this information, local area connection, no internet, direct, HP Deskjet, no internet access. So this is how to connect this printer and print out documents from your mobile phone and laptop via Wi-Fi direct. And if you look on the printer, there is no light to show you that this printer is connected to wireless network. It's connected via Wi-Fi direct with this computer and also mobile device. This is the document we printed out. Thank you very much indeed.